Here, zoom out, is the Tomaso P72. Just have a look at that. It's so sleek. The silhouette's incredible. It is a manual too, which are pretty hard to come by these days. So to get a car like this in manual is pretty rare these days. So I am digging this Tomaso revival that's going on. P72 is equipped with a V12. The production model will come with the supercharged V8 engine. They're all offered in manual gearbox only, full carbon, unique chassis. It's all thanks to our buddy Jake there from Tomaso, who's guiding the car into the parking spot. Thank you very much, Jake, for the info. And it just looks incredible here, guys. It's just a beautiful interior, guys. Almost reminiscent of a Wyra, but just to the extreme. We've got that exposed shifter linkage there. Again, everything is fully carbon, as we can see. Alright guys, we're on site here with the Tomaso P72 up in the hills just outside of Carmel towards Big Sur. We've got something pretty special planned with the P72, so stick around guys, it's going to be wicked. Alright, we're up the mountain here near Big Sur, outside of Carmel. Looks like we're on another planet, the fog is so thick. And here we are, we're all alone with the incredible Tomaso P72. The door's up. And it's just looking fantastic. Turns so many, every single car that drives by is just breaking their necks looking at this thing. It really is. It's fitting that we look like we're on another planet with all the fog, because it is out of this world, this car.
Excuse me? Did you?
This one is a break in the photos, so I don't photobomb anybody. Just want to give you guys a quick look at the grille details here. All the little indents and the patterns in it. It shows how much work and detail goes into this day. Tomaso P72.
Blowing it out on the stones.
Faster if possible.
A little faster as possible. Okay, car's in front of here we take a left.